A man who loves you, he doesn't leave a house wearing a miniskirt. You are going to the shops, or you are going to town. You understand? He doesn't leave you wearing a miniskirt or a bum short, wearing a small thing. You understand? Just because he doesn't want his legs to be seen with other men. You understand? Because guys, yes, a man can be happy, he can see other women's legs, but he doesn't want his woman walking around wearing a short thing, because he doesn't want other men to see those legs. You understand? Because some people, they can say, when we are girlfriend and boyfriend, when I'm your girlfriend, I was wearing those clothes. Yes, you are wearing those clothes because you, before you being married. You understand? Because guys, at that time you are at market, but now you are out of market. You understand? So change the way you wear clothes. You understand? Because guys, men, you can wear, maybe you are private, maybe you are with your man, you are two, but he doesn't want to wear short things public. You understand? You can wear, you are in a private, you and your husband only.